Question number 6. Two boys starts walking in the same direction at a speed of 5.5 km per hour and 3.5 km per hour respectively. In how much time will they be 8.8 km away from each other? Two boys start walking in the same direction at speed is equal to 5.5 kilometer per hour and speed is equal to 3.5 kilometer per hour. In same direction, 5.5 minus 3.5, that is equal to, in case of same direction, we are subtracting 5.5 kilometer and 3.5 kilometer. That is equal to 2 kilometer per hour. And how much time will they be 8.8 kilometer away? So time equal to distance upon speed. So required time equal to distance is 8.8 kilometer and speed is 2 kilometer per hour. That is 4.4. So time equal to 4.4. Answer. We have given two boys starts walking in the same direction. First is 5.5 kilometer per hour. Second is 3.5 kilometer per hour. If they are walking in same direction, then we subtract 5.5 and 3.5 kilo. That is 5.5 minus 3.5. 5.5 minus 3.5 equal to 2.0. That is 2 kilometer per hour. And in how much time will they be 8.8 kilometer away from each other? So distance is 8.8 kilometer per hour and speed equal to 2 kilometer per hour. So we divide 8.8 upon 2, then we get the time is equal to 4.4. Answer. Question number 7. A person went from point A to B at a speed of 9 km per hour and returned from point B to A at a speed of 15 km per hour. Find the ratio of the time taken by the person to come from B to A and the time taken to go from A to B. B to A and A to B. A to B is equal to 9 kilometer per hour. B to A is equal to 15 kilometer per hour. Let distance be x. So ratio from B to A and A to B is equal to B to A is equal to x upon 15 divided by distance upon speed, and B A to B is equal to x upon 9. X is cancelled, so ratio will be 9 upon 15. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So required ratio equal to 3:5. Answer. A person bent from point A to B is 9 km per hour and B to A is 15 km per hour. Let the distance be x km per hour. So required ratio from B to A and A to B. B to A is equal to x upon distance upon speed, that is x upon 15, and distance upon speed A to B, that is x upon 9. So x is cancelled and 9 multiplied by numerator and denominator is 15, which is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. So we get the required ratio equal to 3:5. Answer. Question number 8. A person travels from A to B at a speed of 20 km per hour and increases his speed by 50% while returning. What is his average speed for both the journey? Speed from A to B equal to 20 kilometer per hour and speed from B to A equal to 20 plus 20 into 50%. According to question, increases his speed by 50% while returning. So V to A will be 25s are 100, 5 10s are, that is 30 kilometer per hour. Speed from B to A equal to 30 kilometer per hour. What is his average? So average speed equal to 2 multiplied by A to B, that is 20, into B to A, that is 30, divided by A to B plus B to A, 20 plus 30. So average speed equal to 2 into 20 into 30 divided by 50. 0, 0 is cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So average speed is 4 twos are 8, 8 threes are 24 kilometer per hour. Answer. Speed from A to B is equal to 20 kilometer per hour and speed from B to A, that is 50% increases. 20 plus 50% of 20. 50% of 20 is 20 ones are 20, 25s are 100, 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. That is 10 plus 20 equal to 30 kilometer per hour. Its speed from B to A. And we find the average speed. What is his average speed from both the journey? Average speed is equal to double of A to B into B to A. A to B equal to 20, double of 20 into B to A, we get 30 into 30 divided by A to B 20 plus B to A 30. So we get its formula double of A to B into B to A divided by A to B plus B to A, that is 20 plus 30. So we get 2 into 20 into 30 divided by 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. So 1 0 is cancelled and 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 24 kilometer per hour. Answer. Thank you so much.